Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to do a few DIYs for you. And the first one is going to be the canvas. I've shared with you guys about the canvas that I hauled from the Dollar Tree. I was very impressed with the fact that they had such sturdy canvas at the Dollar Tree. So you will need a canvas. You will need some gems. And I did haul this love sign from Joann's Fabric, and I used a coupon on it. I believe you will need your glue gun and glue sticks. I'm not sure about the scissors yet. Just depends on if I add diamond wrap to it. You will need 2 spray paint of your choice. Now I'm going with red and pink. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and this is the red, and you will need some tape because I'm going to go ahead, place my heart onto the board, and I want to have the tape to hold the heart in place. And I'm going to go back out and spray paint. So this is how it turned out. I absolutely love that. I know I always say that, but I do. It turned out really good. And I love the sparkle on that. So now I want to add strips of diamond wrap. And I know I said before I wasn't quite sure, but I decided that I do want to add some diamond wrap. And I'm going with 1 strip. I want it to be very dainty. I don't want it to be too thick and overpowering. Just a tad bit of Glam. I must tell you, I went with the Dollar Tree adhesive diamond wrap, and this is the way it turned out. I took it all the way around and on the top. Now, I'm thinking I want to add some of the Dollar Tree gems just to outline the heart. Okay, that's where we are. Now our next step is to add this gem. You will need a piece of foam. Now I got this foam from something we purchased, and I thought it would be fabulous for this project. A knife, a razor. You need a tea light holder. You will need some mirrors, the Dollar Tree gems, Dollar Tree adhesive diamond wrap, and the Dollar Tree adhesive gems. You definitely need your glue gun, your glue sticks, and your scissors. Now, many of you may ask, what are the measurements? Guys, this project is up to you. Whatever it is you want. I'm sharing with you my idea, and you take it and run with it. So first thing you want to do is lay your glue down. You can make this project as tall as you want it or as short as you want it to be. I am going to create 2 of them. Okay, so you just glue your foam to the mirror. Then you're going to take another mirror, lay it down on the base and onto the foam. Make sure your mirror touches the other mirror and then onto your foam. Just like that. Repeat this step all the way around all 4 corners. Just like that. Okay guys, so this is how they turned out. Now we're going to take our tea light holder, which these came from Walmart and they were 25 cents. Walmart is clearancing them out right now for 25 cents. Going to take your bottom, add a generous amount of glue, and this will hold really well because it's going on top of the mirror, but you want to make sure that it is squared off. Press. So for this next project, guys, you will need tissue paper of your choice. Now, my Dollar Tree just had these. I've never seen them before. I fell in love with it because it has the red, the black, and the gold, and those are some of my favorite colors. So I want to do something with that. So we're going to do some decoupage. So what you'll need is some water with your Mod Podge and a paintbrush, tissue paper. And cut away your excess paper. Then take your paintbrush and just go around. You can cut away excess paper. You don't want it too bulky. Just don't cut it too short. Okay guys, I can't touch it. I'm just going to allow it to dry. Okay guys, then also I am putting together a little floral so that I can put inside of my bottle. Basically, I took the Dollar Tree white roses and the red ones along with 2 picks, just creating a small arrangement. I'm using the Dollar Tree wire to just bond them together. Just like that. Okay guys, so for a touch of Valentine's in your home, this is a quick DIY you can do. It's still drying and I absolutely love that. So if you like this quick and easy DIYs that I shared with you today, give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your support. You can create elegance for less.